Hello and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Today I am going to do reading for the Virgo sign. So feel free to interchange the reading for the masculine or the feminine or two sides of the uh, situation. And this may or may not resonate with everyone out there. So you can check on the star, sun, moon and rising sign of yours. And let's start with the reading, Virgo. Let's see what is in your story in the present, past and the future. We have a flipper, I guess. The first card out is the strength card. Where is the flipper? Maybe not. Let's see. So I've already shuffled the cards. Wow, this is beginning to be very good reading. Oh, talk too fast, sorry. Okay, the flipper was the 10 of cups, so we'll take this as a overall energy. So the past, the present and the future, your energy and your person's energy. So we have the 10 of cups here. This is the manifestation. This is what you're looking for. This is what coming for you. Okay, in the past I can see here is from your side, this is a married situation. This might not resonate with everyone, guys. This is a little very specific kind of a situation where you are stuck in a married situation. This is the 4 of wands, strength and the 3 of wands. I can see a three-party situation here very clearly, and the king of swords, death and 6 of pentacles is telling me that you are in a situation where it involves a divorce and a settlement very clearly, but you are looking towards a romantic relationship out of this marriage, and maybe your person is looking out of a married situation. So feel free to reverse the roles since so we have the 7 of wands defending themselves in the present. Future is in a little dicey situation. This is going to take some time, and you are asked to have patience. Energy in between you both is the high priestess. You have to have patience for at least 3 months, October, November and December. I think year 2020, Jan and Feb, you will get your answers. You are in a waiting mode. You still are waiting for these things to be cleared, and you need to divide your assets maybe, and it's taking longer than you expected, but the situation is coming to an end. This is coming to an end. The king of swords is making things clear. Whichever way it takes, you are just cutting it off. You don't want to be in this three-party situations, and you made a clear decision and you're defending yourself. You want this and you are not taking it back. Maybe you were before that in the past you were like very much into this situation, and now you are not. You are the 7 of wands defending yourself, and the knight of swords is clearly telling me that you are ready to move forward and look for your future with this person, and not with the person whom you are married to or were in a commitment before. It looks like a marriage very much, and this is coming to an end. See, the center of the reading is the death card. This is coming to an end, and you have to wait patiently. Let's see what is the advice from your guides, spirits and guides and the universe. So maybe that will clarify a little more. but you are getting your 10 of Pentacles. A little patience is required for sure. It is going to be very beautiful. This reading is telling, whoever this resonates, is telling you waiting will pay you off. The patience you show in this connection will pay you off, and there is your 10 of Pentacles waiting for you. By January or maybe by December itself, you will get your answers. Okay, let's see what the universe wants you to do. Surrender the idea you can fix someone. It's time for a relationship to shift. It doesn't work to try to fix someone. Each person must be accountable for his or her own healing. So, this is telling you to do this. Cut it off. You have made your mind and the universe is supporting you. They are asking you to don't try to fix this situation. You have to move forward. I think this is you who has to move forward from a three-party situation or a toxic relationship which is holding you back, which is bringing your strength down, and making you weaker maybe in your own. But you decided not to, and things are working out in your favor. The Six of Pentacles shows me that yes, these results are coming. You will be deciding on this situation, and the High Priestess is a waiting time for you. The only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love. The universe is telling you this regarding your love situation. So wait, have patience and work with them, or if they are here, the universe is guiding them to have patience and work with you and move forward for this 10 of Cups. Okay guys, Virgo, I'll take a leave now and see you in the next reading. Till then, bye and take care.